Viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question. Two blocks of masses 0.2 kilogram and 0.5 kilogram which are placed 22 meter apart on a rough horizontal surface where mu coefficient of friction is zero point 0.5 acted upon by two forces of magnitude 3 Newton each as shown in the figure. At time t equal to 0, then the time t at which they collide each other. So student, here collision condition is given. So for this, if this particle acquired a distance of s and this acquired a distance of 22 minus s, then they collide. So first of all, acceleration of this particle 0.2 kilogram mass considering v. So this is 3 Newton minus mu r equal to mg equal to ma. So 3 Newton minus mu is given to us 0.5 into mass is 0.2 and g is 10 equal to m is 0.2 into a1 acceleration, that its acceleration is a1 for 0.2 kilogram mass. So 3 minus this is 5 into 0.2 equal to 0.2 a1. So 3 minus this is 5 to 10, 1 equal to 0.2 a1. Therefore 0.2 a1 equal to 2. And when we divide it, this is a1 equal to 10 meter per second square. For the block of mass 0.5 kilogram, here force is acting in this direction. So 3n minus 0.5 mu r equal to mg, m is 0.5 into g 10, that equal to m is 0.5 into a2. So 3 minus this is 5 into 5, 2.5 equal to 0.5 a2, and our 0.5 remained. When 3 minus 2.5 we got 0.5 a2. So a2 equal to 1 meter per second square acceleration generated in block of mass 0.5 kilogram. Now they move with initial speeds of 0. Their initial speed is 0. Therefore distance covered by block of mass 0.2 kilogram is s, and the distance covered by the mass of 0.5 kilogram is 22 minus s. So s equal to ut plus half a1 t square. Let the collide after time t. Let the collides after t. So s equal to ut plus half at square, that equal to so that is ut plus half at square, that is s. So s equal to ut is 0, half a1 is of 10 into t square. So s equal to 5t square, and 22 minus s equal to ut, which is 0, half a2 is 1 into t square. So 22 minus s equal to half of t square. Putting this value here, that 22 minus 5t square, that is 0.5 t square. Therefore 22 equal to 5.5 t square, dividing by 11 2 are 22, and this is 0.5 t square. Again when we divide by 0.5, 2 upon 0.5 equal to t square. This is 20 upon 5, that is 4 equal to t square. So t equal to 2. T equal to 2 is the correct answer of this question. They collide after time 2 seconds. So C is the correct answer of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.